Good afternoon, Ken Otott here on the back lot of Concordia Chevy Buick. This is the 2023 Buick Envision. It's front wheel drive. It is the Mosaic black color. Beautiful vehicle. As we do our little walk around, it does have remote start, so we're going to fire it up right now. Power rear liftgate, and it even has the little kick feature, so you could stand there on one foot, but I don't want to fall over on you guys. Right here is the rear cargo area. Spare tire underneath. Yes, it is a donut. I haven't done my donut joke for a while. Let's see if I can get this kick thing to work. Yeah, hey, the lights went off. It's beeping. It's going to lower for me. Sometimes I got to hold my tongue just right. Now this one, we're priced MSRP $37,040, and it has a lot of nice little features with it. Side blind zone alert, remote start. Let's take a look at the back seat. Push the button, unlock the door. It's a combination cloth and leatherette. Beautiful interior on these. Comfortable, quiet. Buick is just amazing when it comes down to this. I hear the AC going in here. So let's hop in, put on the brake. We're going to turn that fan down. I'm going to close the door. It's that buckle. I made fun of that earlier. Let's turn the volume down. Nice big screen system here. We're in demo mode. Let's go over here to settings. I don't know why they do this. Let's turn that buckle to drive off. There you go. Thank you, Chevy, for being, or Buick, for being worried about things. 8 miles on the odometer. Now let's get this over to where we want it to be. Brett threw a little fuel in it, half a tank. Right now, you buy it, we'll top it off for you. How about that? Side blind zone alert. Heated steering wheel. There's your forward collision gap adjustment right there. Heated seats in this unit, and they must be retrofitted. The little light's not coming on. Thank you, guys. So the modules will come in at a later date. Beautiful screen. Here is your lane keep assist. You can turn that off, your lane departure warning. Get a load of this clamshell style hidey hole. Cup holders here. Looky there. There is your owner's manual down in there. Everything looks nice in this car. Little SUV. Now, 31 miles the gallon out on the highway. Where is here? Let me take my glasses on. Doesn't that look better? You can see my eyes. Tell you what, we are an MSRP store. That means we're not adding any limited inventory fees on these vehicles. This is one of 3 that showed up yesterday. I have a white one that is for the budget-minded. I have this one, which is mid-range, and pretty soon we'll have a moonstone gray all-wheel drive out on the lot. I'll be making that video later. Tell you what you need to do is make an arrangement for a test drive. 785-243-8656. That's my cell phone number. Call or text. Be polite. You know, if you text, put your name in there. Or you can call me at the store here at Concordia Chevy Buick. 785-243 SAVE is that number. Let's take this for a little spin, and we're going to drive up here, put it on the front row. I'm not going out in public, so we're out onto the street, so I'm not worried about making a video and driving at the same time. But these are wonderful vehicles. I see myself when I grow up and I go from driving a Chevy Camaro to driving a Buick Envision. 785-243-8656. Give me a call, shoot me a text, or 785-243-SAVE. Ask about this 2023 front-wheel drive Buick Envision. We're going to shut her off, do one more quick little walk around here, because we've gone from the back lot now to the front row. Thanks a lot. I'm Ken Otott. As always, we want to take good care of you here at Concordia Chevrolet. Bye for now.